If you're craving a juicy double cheeseburger without the carbs, then you need this mushroom bun burger. Swap out the burger buns for 2 portobello mushroom caps. Clean your mushrooms, cut off the stems, and clean out the gills. Now give it the same love you would give any other burger bun. Butter that thing up, shawty. Set those mushroom buns to the side, and now grab the beef. I'm seasoning up this ground beef with my Uncle Dibbz Texas steak rub. Everything you need for these burgers all in one bottle. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Here's a little tip. I like to throw my burgers in the freezer for about 10 minutes just so they can firm up. Get that grill pan nice and hot. Throw your burgers right on top of that grill pan. Add a little bit more seasoning. Just get a little bit more flavor. You know, we got to have that flavor. Cook your burgers to your liking. Add whatever your favorite cheese is. Stack them on top of each other and slide them to the side. It's time to throw those buns on top of that grill. Cook your mushroom caps for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Once your buns are done cooking, set them to the side because now it's time to assemble that burger. Add whatever toppings you like. Lettuce, tomato, mayo, ketchup. Treat it like a regular burger, but with 0 carbs. Full recipe in the link in my bio.
That's good, shorty.